Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the Squid Game doll on Just Impress. It kind of looks weird from the back because I didn't use any hair in the back. So just removing everything except for the hair and the cap. For the hair, I use these bangs in black with no adjustments made. Then I also used these bangs in black too. Position the Y at 0.37, Z 0.69, rotate the X to 0.59, and scale it to 0.81. Then grab this cap here in the first toggle in 3B6454. So for this one, position the Y to 0.39, Z 0.45, rotate the X to 0.68, and scale it to 0.62. And then you are going to put on this new top here in the long sleeves without logo. Grab this color 2C3832 and then the rest in white except for the buttons. I'll just do the same, I guess. Then we're going to use these shoes here in toggle on the socks. Color everything else black except for the socks. You're going to color it white. Then for the shorts, we're going to use this in this color C7926F, and that is it. Oh, forgot the belt. Just grab this belt and color it all black, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.